Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing a dish that's close to the heart of every Goan home, a simple yet soulful recipe, Alsande Ros. It's one of those dishes that bring back childhood memories. Soak 1 cup of alsande in water overnight. In the morning, throw the water out and wash the alsande 3 to 4 times with plain water. Transfer the alsande into a pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the alsande or add water as required. Add half teaspoon of salt or as required. Using a spoon, mix it well. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and cook until 6 whistles comes. Once cooked, let the pressure cooker cool. With just a handful of pantry staples and a blend of fresh Goan masala, we are going to turn this alsande into something truly special. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 3 Kashmiri chilies and 1 button chili, half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, 5 cloves of garlic, 7 cloves. Mix. Add 2 cloves, 5 black peppercorns, one and half inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 petal of star anise, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of poppy seeds. Roast on low to medium flame. Then transfer the roasted ingredients into a bowl. In the same pan, heat little oil. Add 1 onion sliced. Saute on medium flame. Now add 1 small coconut grated. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more heartwarming Goan and international recipes. Add half green chili. Roast the coconut on medium flame for a few minutes. Once roasted, remove from the flame and let it cool. Place the same pan on medium flame. Heat little oil in it. Add half teaspoon of hing. Mix. Add some curry leaves. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 onion chopped. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Saute on medium flame. Then switch off the flame. Once the roasted coconut is cooled, transfer it into a mixer jar. Add 1 small lime-sized tamarind soaked in water. Now add the rest of the roasted ingredients. Add water as required. Add 2 teaspoons of Goan garam masala. Cover the mixer jar and grind into a fine paste. Since I wanted a better color, I added 2 more Kashmiri chilies and then ground into fine paste. Then pour the ground masala into the kadai. The alsande are cooked well. Transfer the alsande from the pressure cooker into the kadai. Mix well. Add little chopped sugarcane jaggery. Mix. Let it cook until it thickens. Add few fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix. You can taste the gravy and check if more salt is required. Then you can add it accordingly. As the curry simmers, the aroma fills the kitchen. Trust me, you'll be tempted to grab a spoon before it even hits the plate. Alsanyacho Ros is ready. Switch off the flame. Serve it with steamed rice, soft Goan poi, pav or chapati, and you have got yourself a meal that feels like a warm hug from home. Until next time, keep cooking with love.